At this stage, Mahindra Satyam has a customer base which is close to about 400 plus kind of customers, and these customers range from industries and verticals that span a spectrum. The common thing that's coming across is adjusting as well as being able to play a more dominant role for these customers in the ecosystems that they work in the years to go across. So it's really about the new decade. It's not about the past decade. The solutions of the past decade are only one element which becomes a founding block in terms of building things for the future. And in this context, customers as well as prospects, as well as analysts and the industries themselves are throwing up new challenges, but at the same time, new opportunities. There are new technologies that are coming to the fore, the new approaches that are coming to the fore. Clearly, we want to invest in those technologies. Clearly, we want to invest in those kind of solutions, which range on one hand from green, on the other hand, from solutions which are around the cloud and all kinds of services that can be delivered across. And there's a range of things in the middle. So that is the focus of this company. It is leveraging the skills and the delivery track record that we built across over the years and taking it to the next level in terms of delivering things which are more important to customers, not just to continue their business, but to grow their business. And that's the focus that Mahindra Satyam brings to the table now.